How are you doing, guys? Hope you're all doing good. Hope you're all staying safe. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Anne. I do sewing, DIY fashion and lifestyle videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate you, and I do appreciate each and every one of you watching, subscribed or not. And now is a good time to say, if you're not subscribed yet, guys, you're here already. You might as well just go subscribe. It is absolutely free. It is at no cost to you, zero cost, guys. So please hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And today I wanted to sit down and talk to you guys about how I finally got on YouTube. And I say finally because it's been a long time coming and it hasn't been easy, guys. And I can say that I am proud of where I am right now. And when I say I'm proud of where I am right now, most people might be like, where are you at? You're just starting up. But guys, me actually just starting YouTube is such an achievement for me, and I'm going to tell you guys why. And I also wanted to give you guys some advice if you are in the situation I used to be and you're looking into starting YouTube, how to start YouTube, you know, all that good stuff. So I'm going to talk about things that helped me and might probably help you too, so stick around for that. And let's get into the video, guys. First of all, guys, let me give you a bit of background on myself. I used to be a really shy person. I was very reserved and I was an extreme introvert, so that should tell you a lot. So my greatest challenge to actually becoming a YouTuber was my confidence. I had really low confidence in myself. I had no confidence in my abilities to do YouTube. I felt like if I should sit in front of a camera, I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to say. I wouldn't know how to act. I would probably come off as being awkward or being weird. And at one point, I thought of making videos where I would not need to be physically present in them. But I realized that that wasn't what I wanted for myself, because me doing that was just me settling because I couldn't push myself to do what I actually wanted. I mean, so many people on YouTube make videos where they are not physically present in them, and the videos are doing well, the videos are doing great. But I knew if I go that route, I was just settling because I couldn't do what I actually wanted to do. And guys, nobody should be okay being stagnant in one place. Nobody should be okay not moving forward, not progressing. And I wanted to leave that spot in my life where I was really shy and really had no confidence. I wanted to be more confident, so I realized that I had to change my mentality, because the confidence thing was all in my head, was just a thing of the mind. I had to just change my mentality. I had to start believing in myself. I had to start believing in my abilities. And when I started believing in myself, when I started pushing myself to do things I wouldn't normally do, I started to gain more confidence in myself. I started to be more confident. I started to be more outspoken. And guys, really nobody's going to help you gain your confidence. Your confidence is your sole responsibility. Nobody is going to help you do that. Rather, if people see that you're not confident in yourself, they will rather bring you down than probably help you to get more confidence in yourself. So guys, you have to believe in your abilities and push yourself, and be more outspoken, push yourself out there, do things you wouldn't normally do, and you start gaining your confidence. The second challenge to me becoming a YouTuber was that I had a really boring lifestyle and I had no skill whatsoever. So at that point in my life, I hadn't gained any skill and my life was really boring. When I was in school, I was usually in my hostel or the lecture or in church, and that was my life. My life just went round in circles like that: the hostel, the lecture halls, and church. I didn't really partake in any curricular activities, and when I was at home, I was usually in my room. Most of the time I was in my room, maybe reading a book on my laptop or on my phone. That was basically my life. I didn't go out much. I was always indoors, and I really did not have much friends at that time. So my life was really boring. But like I said before, as I started to gain my confidence, I started to go out more. I started to connect with people more and let people connect with me more. I started to do things I wouldn't normally do. So my life became much more interesting, and then I eventually gained a skill, and I had something to push out to you guys, because nobody will come online to watch you being boring. Nobody nobody's gonna watch what doesn't interest them. I mean, everybody online, everybody on the internet is watching something that interests them. So if you are not interesting, if you have nothing interesting to show people, nobody's going to watch you. And that was it, guys. As I started to gain confidence, I started to push myself out there, started to take risks, do things I wouldn't normally do, started to connect with people, and that really helped my life become much more interesting. And then the third challenge I had the fear of failure and non-acceptance on YouTube, on the YouTube platform. Like I said before, I had really low confidence. I had a very boring lifestyle and I had no skill at all. So that is basically setting myself up for failure on YouTube, because I mean, nobody's going to watch you if you have nothing interesting. If you are boring, nobody's going to watch you. Nobody will subscribe to your channel. Nobody will be interested in anything you have to offer. So that was basically me just setting myself up for failure if I had attempted YouTube at that point in my life where I had nothing to offer. And so the fear was constantly there, because I knew that if I should go ahead to do it, because it was what I really wanted to do, and I knew that if I should go ahead to just do it just the way I was, without changing myself, without being better, I was basically setting myself up for failure. And I didn't want to do that, because that would just bring me down, that would bring my spirit down, because guys, I was already down and I was trying to get off the ground. So if I had attempted YouTube at that time, I would have failed woefully, guys. I would have failed woefully. But like I said again, as I started to gain my confidence and started to connect with people more, I started to get over my fear, guys. So these three things being said, my low confidence, my boring lifestyle, and me having no skill, it also helps if you have a support system. Back then I met somebody amazing who I am married to at the moment, and he was my support system back then. It really helped me be more confident. It really pushed me out there. So let's assume we have a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being an introvert and 10 being an extrovert. He probably will be a 15. Guys, it probably will be a 15, because he was always out there. He's a very outgoing person. He's a very fun-loving person, and he really pushed me to my limits. It pushed me to be better. It pushed me to be more outgoing. It pushed me to do things, and I just want to take this avenue to say thank you to my husband. I really do appreciate everything you do for me, and I do love you so much. So guys, moving on, another challenge I faced was having no equipment. And guys, me saying that right now, that is just a lame excuse, because right now where the world is at, we have great phones with great cameras, so you do not need to splurge on expensive cameras. You do not need to splurge on just like filming equipment. You can use your phone, and your phone can serve two purposes as well, as your normal daily device, and also has a camera for filming. So it is really worth investing in. If you do not have that much money to buy a separate camera, you can as well get a good phone, and that is what I'm using to film right now. And I can say that the quality is good, because guys, you do not need to be perfect. You are starting up, you do not need to be perfect. So the other challenge I faced was the time to actually film. Back then when I was in school, I would leave for class in the morning, and by the time I'm done with class, it's already in the evening, and when I get to my hostel, I have to cook to eat, and by the time I'm done with all my activities for the day, there's no more time to film. And I am the type of person that I cannot handle stress. If I'm stressed out, stress is written on my forehead. Everybody can see that I'm stressed out. Everybody knows I am stressed out. So I do not like to push myself to the extreme. I do not like to get stressed out, because it is not pretty on me. So I do not like to do that. So that was an issue for me. I had no time to film, and I did not want to push myself to the extreme. And lastly, I couldn't decide on the type of content to film, because like I said before, I had no skill and I had a boring lifestyle. So I basically did not have content to put out there, so it was really a barrier for me. But now that I am this way, now that I am more confident, now that I do things, I let myself have fun, I let myself be outgoing, I let myself do things I wouldn't normally do. I have so much content to offer you guys. And let me just quickly say this, guys: if you are looking for content for YouTube, I would suggest that the best thing for you is to make content on your passion or your hobbies. I mean, something you do every day, something that wouldn't be difficult to come up with an idea for. Because if you decide to go copying, I mean, people will see that you are copying. People will probably not like the content, and you will probably not be happy because it's not what you really want to do. It's not what you really like. There is no issue with getting inspiration from other YouTubers' videos, from other YouTubers' content, but copying is just, I mean, it's just not nice. You should just do something you love doing. Make videos on your passion, make videos on your hobbies. And that is why my channel is on sewing, because my passion is sewing dresses, extravagant dresses, wedding dresses, dinner gowns, and things like that. That is basically what I love to do. But you guys know how it takes time to make a gown, and the finances required to make a gown. So I wouldn't be able to, if I decide to make content on just that, I'll probably be posting like once in a while, and I do not want to do that because that will not help me grow on YouTube. So I would also post everyday sewing content and also film videos on my life behind the scenes of YouTube and also away from YouTube, so that you guys can connect with me and I can connect with you on a personal level, and we can get to know each other better. So guys, do something you love doing, and you will be comfortable, you will be happy, and that is it. And and that is just it. That is basically all the challenges I faced, and all these challenges have been a matter of years. It's not something that happened over a couple of months. It's something that has been happening over a couple of years. I've been wanting to get on YouTube for a very long time now, and I am fulfilled that I am now on YouTube. I'm actually doing YouTube now, and I am so happy about it. And I would also love you guys to support me. So if you have been enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button and also share this video to people you think might benefit from this video. And please do not forget to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And let me just quickly give you guys some advice. The first thing I want to say is that you shouldn't beat yourself up. Guys, do not beat yourself up, because I know where I am coming from and I know the effort it took for me to get to this point in my life. So do not beat yourself up. You just have to do your best, and you will eventually get to the point where you want to get to. You will eventually get to your destination. And another thing I would like to say is that you should try to be the best of you. Guys, nobody can do you like you. So please be the best of you. Be the best of you that you can be. And when I say the best of you, I do not mean all this fake nonsense we see on the internet. I mean that you should try to be the best of you. Do not be okay in one spot. Always try to push yourself, because that spot you are right now isn't the best you can do. You can do better, guys. You can do better. So do not be okay in one spot. Do not be okay being stagnant. Try to push yourself and try to be the best of you that you can be. And also believe in yourself, because nobody is going to do that for you. You have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in your abilities. You have to believe in yourself. Nobody is going to believe in you if you do not believe in yourself, and you have to push yourself. And also, please try to take an action. If you have been wanting to do something for a very long time now, just take the plunge. Leave all those excuses behind and just take the plunge and try something, because if you do not try, you will never know. You wouldn't know if it's good for you or bad for you. So please try something, take the action, and put in the hard work, put in the effort, and you will definitely see results. Your effort is going to manifest results for you. So guys, let me just recap. Do not beat yourself up. Be the best of you that you can be. Believe in yourself. Try to do something, take an action, and also put in the hard work, and you will definitely see results. So that is all I have for you guys today. I'm really happy that I had this talk with you guys, because I just wanted you guys to know where I am coming from and where I am at the moment. And I am happy that you guys are going with me on this journey of YouTube. And I know for a fact that this channel will be successful. So guys, if you want to have bragging rights on my channel, hit the subscribe button. If you want to do good for somebody today, let the somebody be me. Hit that subscribe button, and please do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you do not miss any new content from me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate you, and I love you guys so much. Like this video if you enjoyed it, share it to your friends, share it to people that's going to benefit from this video. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and till I see you in my next video. Bye, guys.